Well, hello, my little potato, you beautiful soul. You know, I always like to start off with I love you. I love you. I don't know what is going on with me lately. I um I haven't been in like I don't know if I'm depressed or if I need to clean or what is going on because feel like I feel like my life is getting away from me. And I was talking to someone today and I know it feels like my life is getting away from me. When the truth is that it's not that it's getting away from me, it's that I'm in the hallway. And right now, while I'm in the hallway, what I need to do is get ready for when the door opens, right? And so, what does that mean? And it can mean so many different things, right? And so, maybe I don't feel like I did enough or that I'm doing enough, right? So, um, last night I did find out after I left you the message that the one TikTok order got delivered after the other one. And so because of that, that payment was delayed. And so that's why that payment has yet to come through, but it will be coming through this week. Um, that's one thing. And today I fell asleep last night at like 1 o'clock is when I went to sleep. I felt like I laid there for a while, just laying there waiting to fall asleep. And I woke up and I was like, "10." And I'm like, why am I so tired? And so the goal today was to be sleeping by 11, except that now it's 12:35 a.m. So obviously I missed that deadline by quite a bit. And so, what did I do today? I woke up, I had lunch, and I decided that my becoming my 12-month guided journal needed to move over to be under my author name on my Amazon. So I resubmit to Amazon, and once it's live on Amazon, I'm going to archive the other one. So then that way people can only buy the one, hopefully. And I did that. So I submitted the Amazon listing. I uh, I created like a graphic, so then that way people could just scan the graphic and go to my website, and scan the QR code and go to my website. And then I was supposed to have a call with my classmate, and then uh, he had to hang up after 10 minutes because he had a meeting with his mentor. That was the first thing that happened today. And then, I mean, I did the things. I talked to my friend. I had a mini crash out with her because I was like freaking out that the wild apple people said 21 days, and actually it's 30 days. So I have all of June for them to get back to me and tell me yes. Um, and then between that, I did go to the gym today. It was like 5,000 degrees in there. So it was like super hot. Came back home, hurried up and took a shower. Then I got on the phone because I was supposed to have a call with someone at 7:30. We didn't hang up till like 11, so that's part of the reason that I'm late. And then I had to do my human garage exercise. And then I'm sitting here and I'm like, so things that I need to do tomorrow. I need to clean tomorrow. Like I did laundry the other day. I kind of put it away, but I kind of didn't. I need to clear off my desk. I need to clear off the room. I probably need to wash the sheets on my bed because my friend and I were talking today, and if we have to think about it, that probably means it's time for them to get washed. I need to take everything off of my bed because I have like a million things that are on this bed, like a bunch of pens, Kleenex, hair clips, earbuds, a ruler, believe it or not. Um, all kinds of stuff, and I need to get that organized. I did vacuum yesterday. Um, what else? Tomorrow I need to clean my room. I need to organize it. I need to wash the sheets. I need to put away the laundry. I need to clean up the countertop. I need to do all these things. Sometime this week, I need to go to donation, or actually, there might be someone maybe in the group that I'm in who would like a wedding dress. I don't know. I'm gonna clean that as well, clear that off. Um, uh, what else am I gonna do? Um, I don't know. I'm like I have all these things like okay, so I need to clear off my desk. I need to clear off the one desk. I need to clear off the other countertop. I need to clear off the I have a rebounder in my room, so I need to clear that off. Mm, everything that's on my side table can stay, I guess. I am I just the only thing that needs to stay on my bed is things that I actually need, right? And right now there's too many things on my bed, and so tomorrow instead of and the other things I haven't done, I haven't advertised at all in my groups. And I'm just kind of like, okay, like I don't I don't I don't know, like maybe the reason I am unable to do things at the current moment is because I feel behind. And it's not that I'm behind, it's just like I'm in the waiting, like I said, in the hallway. And when you're in the hallway, it feels like nothing's freaking happening. And it's things happen while you're in the hallway, it's just that. And so since I'm in the hallway, I need to clean. And I need to clean and I need to get things organized. Because if I get things organized, then I can because like right now, like my sweatshirt needs to get washed. Clothes need to get put away. Like my bed is like a freaking disaster. Good thing I'm the only one to sleep on it. One day this week, maybe when if my parents go somewhere like to Beaumont, then I can use my dad's car because I can use my dad's car to go to the post office. God knows my sister flips out. And then I also need to go to Dollar Tree this week at some point. I'm really stressed out. And I need to be less stressed because I submitted my 12-month guided journal to be on Amazon, right? I have a copy of my 200 questions journal coming this week so I can submit it um so I can show it at the vendor fair, right? I have um I can you know what I can do? I can start putting the paintings together that go with the vendor fair. I can put in my backpack, right? I could put it in my backpack. I could put it in my tote. Actually, I think in my tote is where the platter, the tongs, the napkins are gonna go. Um, What else is there? I can put I can put the 55, whatever the books that the current books that I have, I can put them in a suitcase, right? So then they're ready to go on Sunday. Um, I was supposed to check with my dad to see what size the table is in his car, but now it's too late. But he said it's 20 by 30. My friend just sent me a thing about trying the best sandwiches, and I'm like, if a if if a table is 20 by 30, how long is it? Maybe he means it's actually 20 by 30, a white folding table. Maybe. Maybe it's a little table. Okay, I'm gonna have to go downstairs and like go look in the trunk and see what size that table is and figure it out from there. So if not, I think the person who's in charge is like, hey, do you mind sharing an 8-foot table? And if I do share an 8-foot table with somebody, then maybe that will help me. I'm trying, I'm doing my best to not freak out. I know it's my first vendor fair. There's some other people in the group, and they were saying this was like their second or whatever. I did apply to be on 2 podcasts today, so that was good as well. So I didn't not do anything. I just sometimes I feel like I haven't done anything in a few months, and I haven't been writing. I need to get back to writing, and I haven't done that. And I'm being hard on myself because I know that when I write, like it helps me to put things in perspective. But like right now, I have so many things that I need to do. And one of them is I need to clean this whole room. But at least I vacuumed already. I vacuumed. Um, I'm gonna bring the suitcase in this room tomorrow, and I'm gonna get the books that are on the what's it called? On the desk, and I'm gonna put them into the suitcase, and I'm going to take um I have one copy that's mine. I have another I have one copy that's mine. I have another one that I'm gonna send, I guess, to the influencer on Friday. And then I have to write the letter to her. And I also need to watch all my videos for school tomorrow. And I need to work on, I don't like, maybe I need to do some, I don't know. Tomorrow is just cleaning and setup day, so we'll go from there. And I will do my best to not crash out and hopefully not be so tired. I don't know why, but like these days I like cannot wake up. I've been working on waking up, and I'm like, nope. My body's like, nah, you're not gonna wake up today. It's okay. You're gonna sleep until like 10, 10:30, 11. I'm like, wake up. Like, what time is it? That's why I've been working on going to sleep. But today was day one of project go to sleep at 11 p.m. And here we are at 12:48 a.m. However, what I will say is that I needed to talk to the person that I was talking to today. So there is that. Anyways, I appreciate you listening to me as I talk my way through the whole way. Thank you for taking time out of your day to listen because it means a lot because I just don't know what to do. I do know what I need to do. I just it feels like a lot. So anyway, Thank you again for listening. I love you, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.